Assalamu alaikum students. Student of class 8th. In this slide, I'll provide you the notes of this poem, Children Understand Him. Previously, we have read this poem, Children Understand Him, and explained you as well as and given you central idea. Now, come with the words and meaning. Okay, take out your copies and start writing the work. Children understand him. Words and meaning. Okay, hospitality, and the meaning is kindness in welcoming. Second is humored, welcoming stranger. Third is inadequate, not enough. Fourth, intact, remaining sound. Fifth, relied on, to have faith. Revoked, withdrawn. Now come to the question and answer. Question number 1. To what is the old man compared in the second stanza and why? Answer is, the old man is compared to a dry stream bed. The poet is telling us that the man has led his life. It in course has been run like that of a stream or a river, and it is now dry. There is a little life left and a little offer according to him. Next is, do you think that the old man always lives in the same house? Give reason for your answer. Answer is, the old man probably goes from one child house to the next. We are told that he has sons and daughters. Putting up with him is a hard task for them. So they probably takes it in turn to stay and to look after him. Question number 3. Who gives friendly punches to the chest? To whom? Who gave the damp kisses? Who has scrubbed cheeked? Why? And the answer is, the children gave the old man friendly punches to the chest. The old man gives his grandchildren the damp kisses on their scrubbed cheeks. The children's cheeks are scrubbed by their parents when they are dirty. Now come to the reference to contest. Now student, take out your book, page number 60. Here we are having two RTCs, reference to contest, but you have to write the second one to B. Okay. Now question number 1. Who are they? And the answer is grandchildren. Question number 2. When do they sit to his knees and why? And the answer is, they sit to his knees when they play with him. Question number 3. Which words or expressions are used metamorphically? Answer is, said move towards, harbor, safe place, knees. So student of class 8th, you have to complete this work in your literature copies, okay? And kindly collect the assignment from your class teacher and submit it to me in the school timing, as the school timings are from 9 to 12 and your meeting day is for class 8 is Tuesday. So what you have to do, you have to bring your copies for correction, and if you need any query regarding my lecture or any difficulty in understanding, so you may ask me. I'll be there between 9 to 12 timing. I will assist you, okay, and make your copy correction, and bring your assignment as well, and take the second week assignment from me or from your class teacher. And student of class 8A and 8C, you are supposed to bring your copies and get it copies corrected by your own teacher, who is Miss Uruj. Okay, and student of class 8B, you are supposed to bring your copies to your own English teacher, that is me, Miss Razia Babar. Okay, so kindly bring your copies to me on Tuesday, and bring your assignment as well, as assignment contain marks. Okay, you are having the marks of assignment as well as your copy work also, so don't forget to bring both of the things with you. And kindly visit the school with complete SOPs, that is mask is compulsory, don't come without mask. Okay students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.